How to draw Montana. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Today we are going to be drawing Montana. We are going to start by drawing a straight horizontal line. This will be the top of our outline of Montana. Perfect! Now we are going to draw a straight line going downwards from the right side of that line. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw a small straight line going downwards from the left side of the straight line we drew at the top. Nice job! Now going downwards from that small straight line, we are going to draw a squiggly line that goes downwards and to the right a little bit. Then going downwards from this, we are going to draw a squiggly backwards J shape. Awesome! Now we are going to continue drawing a squiggly line that goes downwards and to the right. Then we are going to continue this squiggly line going to the right just a little bit more, and then we are going to draw a small V at the end of it. Now to finish this drawing, we are going to draw a straight line from where we left off to the straight line on the right side of our page. This is How to Draw Montana. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up below, and if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, comment down below what you would like us to draw next, and stick around until the end to see this drawing all colored in. Thanks for drawing with me today!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew! If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.